Hi guys, today we are going to be catching scammers. Got my first person just joining now. What have I got in this bag? Oh, I've got all my goods. Now he's out of me. Now he's gonna join. Okay,
Yeah, I'm back.
so what do you have to trade?
What do I got? Which one do you want to trade for? Or is it? This is OG. You cannot get this anymore. This you can still get it.
Let me have a look at what I've got.
Or do you want the
Could
boombox?
Wait, what boombox is it? Nah.
It's
Could I
OG.
trade? Could I trade this for the apple?
Yeah, sure. Seems fair. Go put the... All right. Drop it on 3, 3, 2,
3,
1.
2, what? Oh, do it again. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Well, thank you for not scamming. I am going to give you an
I don't
item
scam.
for not scamming.
I just don't
me.
think it's fair.
Here you go. You can have that for not scamming.
Red flashlight! I've been trying
It's
to
a
get
modded
this.
version. Okay, bye. I was actually recording a YouTube video, so you're in a YouTube video now.
Alright, I have to go really quick.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, that first person did not scam. It's good. Okay, does anybody want to trade?
Alright, let's go, y'all.
Does
ready?
anybody want to trade?
Yes!
Skeleton, nobody wants to
if we get
caught by the clown, we have to all do the jump rope.
Well, let's do it in a different server. Does anybody want to trade?
Stop.
Does anybody want to trade?
Guys, we're all fighting instead of stage 5.
I'm trading right now. For
Okay, come here.
guys should come fight
Add
instead of
me.
stage 5.
Add me, okay?
Okay.
Okay, just.
Alright, I got you. Let me find you.
Okay, I send you a request. Okay.
Alright, oh.
My name's
sorry for a
Bosca the
minute.
Penguin.
Oh, there.
Okay, we've got another pet. Yes. See what they have got. Let me see if I'm actually online. I think I. Yeah.
You here?
Okay. Come on now. What do you want to
Are
trade?
you a scammer?
No.
Okay.
What do you have to trade?
This red golden revolver that is small.
Could I trade this for it?
Hell yeah. Ready? 3, 2, 1,
Wait,
drop it.
where is it?
Let
grab
me
it.
check if there's someone in the code.
There isn't.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ready? 3, 2,
3,
1. Drop right
2,
up.
1. Okay,
What
I am
the-
actually
whoa,
recording
Whoa!
a
dude,
YouTube
dude.
video.
Dude,
So
is everything
since-
okay?
Since
Dude,
you did not scam,
dude,
you
look.
will get
Dude,
a
I think this is either a glitch.
You will get this since you did not scam.
Hold up, I don't know
Modded
what's going on
banana
right now. Oh my
chips.
god.
Since you did not scam.
Okay. Yo, thank you, bro. Thank you. Oh my god. Oh.
What?
Yo, that's actually fire. You want to trade again?
Yeah. What else do you have?
I have. Do you own the radiation pack? That radiation gun pack?
No. Wait, you mean like the pink?
I have this.
Oh,
It's
no.
a rare item.
Oh. Please don't radiate. Oh, you radiation. What about this?
What is that? Oh, zombie meat. Okay, share.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Wait, empty the bag. Let me see. Okay.
3, 2, 1. Okay. Bye.
No. Hold up. Wait, come back. One last thing. One more trade. Oh, crap. One more trade. Just one more trade.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, I'm just deleting loads of these people that I don't even... Oh, I accidentally deleted my friend. I have loads of people, it's going to take ages. Okay, so what else do you have to trade?
We can do like 3 more trades because you're a
No,
good
I'm
trader.
doing more. I'm doing one more because I'm recording a YouTube video and it's just going to be boring doing the same person.
Okay, this rare galaxy prop scanner.
How about this?
Oh, yeah, sure. Are you catching scammers in your video?
Yeah.
Can I come with you?
What are you really going to do though?
Like, I'm gonna, like, try and steal their item if they're gonna be a scammer.
Yeah.
If they're a scammer, then I'll,
Yeah, I know.
ban them.
We'll say that we had it. So you get a bag of sticks, yeah. Just hide in the bush, and then I'll just go in the bush, and then you quickly give me the sticks, and then I'll give you the item. Okay? Let me add you back because I deleted you just in case you scammed. Okay, just accept my request, and then what's this? Is this just the bag? Okay. Accept my request, and then just join me, okay?
Okay,
Does anybody want to trade?
I'm back at the bomb box right
Does
now.
anybody want to
Hey,
trade?
Hey dear.
I want to trade a spider. I can give you a spider for something rare.
Wait, who wants to trade? Who wants to trade?
I'll trade.
Yeah,
I'll trade you a
Black,
spider.
Okay,
trade with my
Black,
friend.
Black,
Wants to trade with my
Black,
friend.
come over here then. Let me add you.
Yo, Black,
let me
wanna
add you.
trade with us?
Are you serious, bro?
We'll do it again so you can get these arms.
Can anyone help me beat the boss? Can anyone help me?
Why
beat
is
the boss?
everyone me?
Everybody crazy.
Bro, this is a
Who
good
wanted
chance.
to trade?
This is a good chance.
We have to go in a different server.
I'm also trying.
Oh. Does anybody want to trade?
Okay.
Does anybody
Okay,
want
on
to
my
trade
way.
with me?
Would you like to help me
I'm
too?
at the bottom. Behind you.
I already know how to dupe.
Huh? What? Huh?
I already know how to dupe. Does anybody
a
want
good
to trade? Does anybody want to trade?
No! Can't sign up for
You're
a
playing
bit.
Ugg?
Does anybody want to
What's the
trade?
code in that?
Oh, it's been boring. Does anybody want to trade with me? Does anybody want to trade with me? Hello?
Oh, the cave's different. Oi,
Does
oi,
anyone
are
want to
you?
trade with me? I have loads of rare items.
Where are you? That was in
Who
the
wants
are we
to?
still going in Zach 1?
Yeah,
Zach
does
anybody
1?
want my?
Let me add you. What's your name? Is it Clay?
Does anybody want my money gun for free? Does anybody want my money
I know your
gun
name.
for free?
Okay, just accept my
Anyone
request.
want
My
my
name's
mommy
Bosca
gun?
the
Money gun?
Penguin. Okay, just join me. Okay. Okay. So, what do you have to trade? That's not rare anymore. You can buy it now. You can buy it in the shop. Oh, I have an AC Cola for something. That's just an RPG. Something rare. Nothing from the buying thing. From the buying machine. Okay, I have it in here. What do you have to trade? Okay, are you actually gonna trade? No, just trade me something good. Wait, do you have anything? Do you have anything small or big? Like small. Like that wouldn't normally be small. Or something big that wouldn't normally be big. Toilet paper. You can just go get that. Something better, something better, something better. I mean... I know what I'll give you for... I'll give you this for it. Wait, let me... Okay. You go over there so you don't scam. Go over there. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Drop the item. No, that. Drop the item. Okay, let's restart. You're meant to drop the camera when I say 1. 3, 2, 1. Drop the camera. Okay, now, since you did not scam, that this was actually inside of it, but since you did not scam, you can have your item back and the rubber ducky. Okay, as you guys could see, that last person was not a scammer, but he didn't really have any rare items. But bye, that is the end of today's video. Bye.